Hey, what's up, man? Just wanted to show you this dog grooming snapshot. I made a couple updates, a couple little updates since I sent it to you earlier. So let me just walk through here. First, gonna go to the sites and the funnels. Let's look at the funnels. There's two different folders here. One of them is the front end. One of them is the back end. So this snapshot funnel has all of like the landing pages where you're gonna drive traffic to, and each of the forms and surveys, once they're completed, sends traffic to the booking calendar. So I'll show you the booking calendar first. You can see there's a calendar here. Selecting a time on our grooming calendar below. Thanks, you should receive an email from us in the next 5-10 minutes to confirm your information, whatever they filled out on the previous page. Request a time below. So on the previous page, you'll see on the survey, they have to check a box that says they understand this is a request for a time. And so this is not them booking or confirming a time, because in the dog grooming business, stuff happens. Dogs are late getting picked up, late getting dropped off. They might take a little bit longer. The groomer might get bit. People might no-show, or everything might go great and be perfectly on time. Either way, the staff has to confirm the time. So yeah, so there's that. So this is the calendar page. Come back over here. Then once it's confirmed, or once they choose a time, they get this page where appointment confirmed, where it has their appointment time right here. Thanks, just emailed your appointment confirmation, and then a picture of the staff. Always have a picture of the staff. The background, you either want a picture of the building, the staff, a groomer in action, but you do not want stock images. I got a call coming through. Let me just cancel that. Alright, so the snapshot funnel. It's going to be 4 pages right here. Versions 1 and 2 have the crazy discount form, name, email, phone number. It's kind of like those are higher volume, just name, email, phone number. 1B and 2B has the survey, where it's like a full survey. So let me show you here. So instead of the form, they just click this button and they enter their information, name, email, phone number. This is the terms. Let me take you over to the form. This is the second page, and so this is like the long form page. It's got to change a few pictures and stuff in here. Your trusted sender name specialist. Supposed that's funny. I got to change the custom value there. This is a custom value right here. Schedule service now. Takes them up to the survey. Gotta change it. Popular service. Custom value. Custom value. Custom value. You can change images here. This written for you. And the survey down here as well. A big map of the location. Alright, so let me dive into this page. This is the one that I kind of got to show you how to update a few things, because you're going to want images of your business. Cool. So to update, this is the old page editor, but it works well. To update the background of this top section here, there's no padding, and so what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to click section, manage, and then the desktop hero. The top section on a website that has like the call to action, all that stuff, is called the hero section. It's what you first see when a web page loads. So the desktop hero, you're going to click manage, and then you're going to click the section, and then you're going to manage it over here with the background image. I'm just going to update the background image right now so you'll be able to see. So you'll be able to see. Well, it didn't want to update, so of course. Oh, that's because there is a background image for the row. I'm brilliant. I'm a genius. So never mind. You don't have to go to section. and Desktop Hero, you can just update the picture of the row, the background image. So let me go back to the original one. Boop. There's that image. Background image here. What you do is just click on the column so it's highlighted in purple. Change that one. Background image here. Just going to go ahead and update that one. Doggy. Background image, the column, and this is a background image as well. So what you're going to do to get this one, this map, is you're going to go to Google Maps. You're going to take a screen. You're going to type in the address of the location for the groomer. You're going to take a screenshot with the pin right in the middle, and then you're going to take that screenshot and upload it as the background. In order to update these reviews, you just go to their Facebook or their Google page, copy and paste reviews, and change the information here. So a little bit of elbow grease. All of these buttons go to the surveys. If they don't, oh, it says to open the pop-up. Well, I'm going to go ahead and update that real quick. Actually, I'm going to show you how to do this. Where it said open pop-up, this is how you do it in case if when I update this snapshot and I send it to you, if it's kind of funky, you're going to want to know how to do this. It said open pop-up, so you're going to click the button. You're going to scroll all the way to the bottom where it says button actions. You're going to click open pop-up, and you're going to select scroll to element. The element you're going to select is this survey, so you just click where it says no element selected, and you're going to select survey. And so the page will scroll until the survey is at the top of the screen. And actually, I want to change this. Request appointment headline is the name, is what that says. And so now it actually changed the name of the element. So now when I go to the button and I select an element to scroll to, I can search for request appointment headline. So it won't make it so that the survey's at the top of the page. It'll make it so this headline's at the top of the page. It's just a little bit of a better user experience. So let's make sure to do that for all the buttons right now. Yeah, all of them need to be updated. Scroll to element. Request appointment headline. I want to pause this now and get all of them up. Okay, cool. Got them all saved there. Gonna click save. All right, and these surveys, the action from the survey builder, all of the forms, it's the action from the forms. Reason being is I use the custom values to send people to that booking calendar page once the forms and surveys are completed. So what that allows you to do is you can clone and duplicate all of these pages. Doesn't matter what page you send people to, as long as they fill out the form or the survey, it will always redirect them to the booking calendar page, which is right here, the booking calendar page. All of the custom values, I'm going to show you here, right here. This is what you're going to update when you first come in. Going to need, like, where it says sender name. Sender name is the name of, like, whoever's sending the information out to people. So whoever, when a lead fills out the form or the survey, this is who is sending the lead their appointment confirmation. So this is actually going to be like the name of the business or the business owner or whoever the salesperson main point of contact is. Marge Smith, if she's like the office lead office manager. The discount offer name, Reviving Dog Grooming Services. So whatever the special offer you're running, that's what it's going to be. The discount amount, the location that they serve, the logo, you're going to upload the logo here. Agency name and agency email. These are like your agency because you're setting this up for a dog groomer. You're going to put your agency name and email here. And this is what is used to deliver them the leads. So make sure that you're using a valid email address to send them the leads. They're going to be opening these leads every single day. So it's really good to make sure that you're using your own email so you can really increase the health of your sending domain. And these are the areas where you're going to copy and paste the domains for the main discount funnel or the main lead generating funnel that you want to use, and here is the calendar link. So this is the custom value that's used for the forms and surveys. So anytime any of the pages with the form or survey is filled out, it redirects them to this calendar booking page right here. Industry name, it's not going to be sender name, it's going to be dog grooming. Yep, that's how you update a custom value. That's it. It's the hard life. And the accordion menu on the home page. So if you have different levels of service, like a full service, a basic, just wash, a special shampoo, you can talk about those here. This details, what I use ChatGPT to just spit out some details. It can be like a paragraph long, and that's what fills out the actual information inside of the accordion. And then whatever tracking phone number you want to use, whether it's Google Voice, Twilio, Lead Connector. Obviously Twilio and Lead Connector connect to this, so you'll be able to automate the text messages. But if they already have a different one, they don't want to use this for sending out texts, then they can use Google Voice or Grasshopper, CallRail, whatever. So last couple places here, we have the automations, and then some emails. Everything's organized in a folder, so even if you have another snapshot uploaded, they won't get mixed up. So a few automations come in here. Appointment confirmation, reminder. Once an appointment is confirmed, this reminder campaign makes sure that they show up on time with their dog. Works really good. Go in there, check out the emails and texts, edit it, customize it for your client however you want to. Spend a little bit of time. If you don't want to do that, it's fine. This is whenever a new lead comes in. We have two branches. One if they completed the survey, one if they completed the discount voucher form. Both of them are set to wait a couple minutes. Add a tag, which depending on which one they came through, they get added to the pipeline. New lead notification goes to the staff. This one, if they fill out the survey, it's a little more extensive because it has all the survey information. Name, email, phone number, pet name, breed, weight, birthday, if there's a vet clinic, what day is best, what time of the day is best, what specific service they requested, if there's any add-on services or any additional comments. So I suppose what you could do is what we could do. I'm going to do this now. Well, I mean, I want to send you this, but I am going to do this moving forward is when someone fills out the discount voucher, just name, email, phone number. The next page, instead of sending them to the calendar, I'm going to send them to a page where they can fill out the rest of the information, the survey. So we can always ensure that this gets submitted. If they don't submit that, we can still have a follow-up process in place. But you can see here, this new lead, if someone fills out just the form, then it's just name, email, phone number. And then we have these emails that go out and texts that go out. Just texted you, emailed. I'm going to show you these email templates here in a minute. So these email templates are called the soap opera. Oh, wait, first, automations. Yeah. We also have birthday templates, so discounts go out for the dog's birthdays. Database reactivation. You can go out and reactivate the list of old customers. Follow up for people that didn't close a sale. Holiday text flow. This one's pretty cool. Just sends out text reminders or texts to all of the customers every single holiday. It's good to just stay top of mind. So you can see, January through December right there. It's called text back, no show reactivation. Move my head. Review requests for after a job well done, and then integration with Google Business Profiles chat. And last, we have this marketing email templates. It's called a soap opera sequence. These are money in the bank. So these emails go out to every new lead, even if they become a customer. These are really good. You can come in and customize these, but these are written in a very specific way that works extremely well. Oh, I can move this now too. Hey, blah, 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 blah. Click here to get your custom value discount offer. You're going to need to customize this part. I think this is the only one that you have to customize. It was a little over X years ago that I decided against overwhelming odds to embark on the journey of completely revolutionizing the dog grooming industry. How many years ago? That's what you got to fill out. Other than that, leave the emails. These are great. They work really well for warming up people and people that were on the fence about booking. This like gets them to book like hotcakes. They work really freaking well. Okay, so go in, read all of those, check them out, get to know them. Got the automations we went through, the funnels, the sites, the custom values, and then the pipelines. There's one pipeline here. It's fairly simple. New lead, scheduled appointment, upgraded to a recurring service, did not book upgraded service, does not want upgraded service. So they did not book, but you're supposed to follow up. Does not want, and then a job done. I'm actually going to move does not want at the end, and they are not in the funnel. Yeah, job done. I'm going to move that up. Boop, there. Cool. That's it. Go ahead. You can customize, first do the custom values, and then customize the background images and stuff on these, and then you're good to go.